Moving on, we have to mention the Absen LED display walls. Absen this year introduced the NX 2.5, and it has already proven to be one of the most successful LED display solutions available here at Broadfield. The 2.5 pitch allows anyone looking at these LED displays from about 25 feet or more to get a crystal clear image quality in panels that can easily be installed, serviced, and give you excellent video resolution anywhere throughout your venue. These are great display solutions in corporate AV spaces, houses of worship, education, and more. If you're selling LED display solutions today, you can reach out to your Broadfield sales rep to talk about some of these Absen solutions, which are being inventoried in both New York and LA, allowing Broadfield to get these display solutions to you and your clients faster than ever. We are bringing in lots of inventory, especially now before the end of the year, so we can help meet all of your display needs quickly and easily.